He says, Lo Yizku L'Hashem Yad. In Eretz Yisrael, there are korbanos. They bring all the enjoyment that you have of your food and your drink. It's all sanctified. It gets kedusha for the korbanos you bring in Beis Hamikdash. There in Asher and Mitzrayim, Lo Yizku L'Hashem Yad. They don't pour out any wine for HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Lo Yervu Lo. This is why it doesn't taste sweet. You get no enjoyment out of it. Since nothing is poured out of this bowl, since they're dedicated to the Avodah Zorah, not Avodah Shvovu, they have no pleasure from it. In other words, the assimilation, the Umas Ha'olam, instead of pouring the wine out of Shvovu, dedicating your joy to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and that's the purpose of Nisa Chama Yai, dedicating your joy to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. You dedicate it to Goyim, La Yisrael Hashem Lai. It says, La Yevolah. Doesn't take good anymore. Some get an enjoyment out of it. You see, play your meals. You make a big meal, which is dedicated over the Zohar. Kelechem owning lehem. It's like a onanim, let's say with onanim, that it's like the meaning of mourning. No taste, no happiness. Kol ochlov yitamo. Whoever eats it becomes yitamo, becomes defiled. Ki lachmom lenatrom yova beis Hashem. Beautiful word. What is a korban? Korban is the food for the soul, which they didn't bring to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. A korban means, when I bring a korban, means I feed my soul. And it's now my soul gets yiras shemayim, my human to the now, yiras Hashem l'gerem. I feed, that's the purpose of a korban. Then I come home and I eat at my table. Then the table is a despair. I get the feeling of happiness, satisfaction. He says, they, La Yizku L'Hashem Yai, La Yervu Lo. That's why the wine doesn't taste them anymore. Tivcheim, their korbanos, Kelechem owning them, tasted like to them like a mourner's meal. Kol ochel yitamo, Ki lachmom lenafshom, La Yova Beis Hashem. The bread for their souls does not come to the Beis Hashem.